Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to show the touch keyboard icon in your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and here, please type on settings. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match, go with open to continue. You can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Here, look at the left side of that where you can see there a list of the options. Please proceed with personalization next to network and internet. And under the personalization tab, you need to scroll down and look for taskbar, which contains the taskbar behaviors, the icons, and system pins. And since we need to enable or we need to add the touch keyboard icon in the taskbar, we need to proceed with system tray icons. Click on this option aligning to it, click the down arrow and go with always. The moment you have set it into always, you have just successfully showed it into the taskbar. So let's check, let's close the window. And there we have it. We have just successfully added the touch keyboard icon here in the taskbar. So you can simply tap on it and you can use the touch keyboard here in your 11 PC if in case you have a problem with your physical or built-in keyboard. So that's it. You can also simply do a right click here in this area where no specific application or icon is being selected. Please do a right click, go with taskbar settings. Okay. And in that way, you would be able to see or open a similar window or a same window where you can see their touch keyboard, click the down arrow and set it into always. In this way, you would be able to show touch keyboard icon in your taskbar. So simply close the window and you're good to go. So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy using your touch keyboard in your Windows 11 PC if in case you have a problem with some keys in your physical or built-in keyboard. Thank you for watching and have a good day.